Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to configure Mikrotik basic such as IP for internal LAN and external WAN to make internal can be accessed to the internet. As this scenario where the internet is the WAN interface, and we will set up IP 10.20.30.40/24 and the gateway is 254. And for the EtherNet2 is interface LAN, it means local area network, and we will configure the IP address is 10.10.10.10.0/24, and the gateway is 254. And we have user 1 for the testing, user 2 and another user N, and we also can be connected to the switch for the network device such as AP or printer, and depend on the scenario. So now we go to the console and configure on the Mikrotik. Okay, by default we log in by admin user and password is blank. So now I go to the interface and to print interface print. We have 9 interface, and for the EtherNet1, EtherNet1 it will be configured as WAN, and EtherNet2 is LAN. WAN EtherNet1. Okay, interface set name LAN1 EtherNet2. Okay, interface print. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so now let's assign IP on the interface WAN1. Okay, by default it use the IP, so now we assign the static one IP address at address 10.20.30.24 interface WAN 1. Okay, and another interface 10.10.10.10 interface LAN 1. So we remove the SP first. IP address remove number 0. Okay, so now let's try to ping to the gateway. Okay, verifiable. Okay, after we already set up IP on the WAN interface and LAN interface, we need to add the full route to the WAN IP route at gateway. 10.20.30.254. Okay, so after we add route, we can show the default route. Okay, so need to okay, so let's start ping to the cloud one. Okay, visible Google. Okay, after add the gateway, we add the DNS set server, DNS Google and Cloud9. Okay, you can see. Okay, after this we will configure IP firewall NAT to allow internal to the internet. IP firewall NAT add 10 srcnat extend masquerade and our interface is when 1. Okay, so let's ping source address is 10 internet. Okay, so now our source, our internet is can be read to the internet. Okay, so let's start the user. Network. Sorry. Okay, let check again. Okay, so let's testing the connectivity first. Okay. Okay, so now we can see this is the internal gateway and the internal gateway. Okay. So for the basic configuration for the allow internal to the internet, that means allow the local network to the internet, and when it's already complete for this video. Thank you for watching.